Hey friend, how are you? I hope you're having a great day so far. Today's video is just an unboxing. I don't think I've done an unboxing in a while. I feel like it's been a while since I've done an actual handbag unboxing, so I'm excited about this one. I got this from I Love Dooney. They were having a sale either 30 or 40% off of pretty much their whole site, I think. And I've been eyeing a bag pretty much identical to this bag, and I believe that bag is called the Piper. If it is, I'll put a little picture here or in just a few minutes so you can see that they're pretty identical. But this is just kind of a good old shoulder bag, and sometimes, you know what, that's really what you need. So let me get it out here. By the way, in case you haven't noticed, I am recording in my bathroom. As many of you know, I moved and I'm still trying to figure out where I'm gonna record, where the lighting is the best, the sound is the best, and whatever. So right now I'm in my bathroom. If it doesn't work out, I won't do it again, but we'll see. So here it is. This is the Presley bag, and I don't remember really seeing it that often. I see the Piper on I Love Dooney a lot, but I don't remember seeing the Presley, and it was significantly cheaper than Piper, even though honestly I think that they have pretty much the same measurements. Love it when you like take it out of the bag and you smell that leather. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, so this is the black on black Presley bag, and it is in the pebble grain, so you can see that beautiful pebble grain there. Let me take some of the plastic off. Okay, here we go. So as you can see, this can, that middle part can be taken out, which I don't know, I might end up doing. We'll see. I might just tighten it to the tightest that it can be and see how that feels on me. Or maybe I'll just leave it a crossbody bag. Not sure, we'll see. But it has this pocket here in the front, which of course is good for the phone, as always. It has nice, smooth leather trim, and that's the same trim as the shoulder straps. Of course, there's the pull tab there, the leather pull tab. Nice zipper, dust bag inside. So, you know, when you buy a Dooney, you pretty much know like what you're getting, right? You know that you're gonna get, for the most part, a zipper pocket and a slip pocket, which, yep, is what you get. And then on the other side, another slip pocket. Of course, there is the key keeper right here. That's always nice to have, although I never use it, but you know, it's nice to have nonetheless if you do need it. And it does not have feet, probably because it's a crossbody bag. It doesn't have feet. It looks like, I know that some bags, these little things right here, the ends of the straps curl up, but I don't see any issue with that. When it first came out, this one was super duper curled, and I just kind of pressed it down. I think if I put it like on the shortest length here, that's really gonna help it. So let me do that. Yeah, so if I leave it at the shortest length, I think that'll straighten it out and help it, so that'll be good. But this is just a really quick unboxing for you. I'm not gonna put anything in it for right now. If you'd like to see what fits in here, definitely let me know, and I will be sure and do that for you really soon. I think it's gonna fit. I feel like it's deceptive. I feel like it's one of those deceptive bags that you can fit a lot more than what you think you can. So I'm kind of excited to see actually what will fit in here. So let me know if you want to see it, and I'll be sure and do that for you. That's all I have for you today, friends. Again, have a great day. Be sure and like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.